So, hi guys, this is my next video in the sequence of engineering models, and today I will be talking about the computer numeric controls, and we will developing our own CNC plotter. So in today's video we will be talking about the basics of CNC, then we move towards the working on the CAD model, and then we will see how to develop our own NC plotter using Arduino Uno. So, what are computer numeric control? This is a type of process by which we can give input to our working tool to govern its working by using a computer input. And that tool can be a drilling tool, a cutting tool, even the laser engraver, or a milling tool. So before 1940s and 1950s, people used to work with hand-operated machine tools. But after that, they shifted on the CNC machines and they quitted their old tools. Now let us take a look at the working of the CNC plotter or any type of CNC machine. All type of CNC machines, whether these are plotter, laser engraver, 3D printer, etc., they all work on the same mechanisms. They have 3-axis mechanisms, they have a processing tool, and they have a bed. So now let's take a look at our CAD model to have better understanding of all these things. So this is the CAD model that I prepared for you guys so that you can better understanding of the CNC machine. So this is the y-axis, you can say this is the x-axis. These are the beds that are mounted on x-axis and the y-axis, and they are constrained to move on these axes only. Their motion is actually governed by these jaws, which are actually connected to the main stepper motor. The main stepper motor, when it actually rotates, these are actually constrained to move in the x-axis. Similar is the case with this y-axis. This is the pencil, which is used as the plotting tool, and this is the servo motor, which can we say that is used for the z-axis movement. This is the main frame, and this is the base. So you can have a look on this from all the sides to have better understanding of how it actually looks. Now we have seen that how the parts actually look like in reality over the CAD model. Now let us take a look on how these actually run in the real life. So this is how it prints anything, any type of picture that has been given to it as an input using the G code. So G codes are actually uploaded in all type of CNC machine to govern its working. Currently it is printing the flag of not the flag, it is a map of the world. So we have seen how it actually prints in the real life. Now let us take a look on the different components in reality. So this is the main servo motor, which is like connected to the x-axis, and this is the mechanism so that the servo motor can push the pencil upward or the downward. This is the platform, which is actually mounted on the y-axis, This is the y-axis. And this mechanism actually mounted on the x-axis. And all these motors, servo motor, the stepper motor 1 and the stepper motor 2, are actually connected to L29 3D motor driver shield, which is in turn connected to the Arduino Uno board. For motor 1, for stepper motor 2, and for the servo motor. And this is the external power supply of the 5-volt. So these were the components. You all guys can prepare these things at your home. Now we will see how to actually upload the CNC code into the Arduino. So this is the main CNC code which is available on the internet as well, or you can just create it on your PC. So here we can see that the Y max is 40, X max is 40, and X min is 0, and Y min is 0, and Z is 0, and Z max is 1. So we have seen that we have constrained the motion of these axes to only 40 by 40 square. So everything will be printing in the 40 by 40 square. So this is how we have done this. If we have like large motors, large platforms, we can give our own coordinates. So like if I want to like run it on say 200, so I can give the X max value as 200, and similarly I can give Y max value as 200. So for large plotters, we can change the inputs of the CNC code and then we're uploading it in the Arduino Uno board. So this is how it is actually done. After that, we'll be needing a different kind of software to upload our G code in these. For that, we'll be needing a GCTRL mechanism processing software that actually runs the G code. You can find it on the GitHub. So that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel. This is how the actually CNC machine looks like. Bye bye.